On 13th of December around 9:30 p.m., two people died after an Alto model car made a brutal accident at Hangjanglangso near Little Star School, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan police station. As per the sources, it was reported that a white Alto model car bearing registration number AS01BA9175 was heading towards Dimapur from Karimganj with a galloping speed, which consequently overturned from the road and bumped into a tree roadside along National Highway 39. The driver of the car, identified as Anwar Hussain from Bodopur, Karimganj district, died on the spot while his co-passenger lost his life midway to the hospital. Local residents of Hangjanglangso tried to save the victims by calling 108 emergency service, but the ambulance could not reach the spot on time. Hence, Bokajan police was called for help. To identify of the co-passenger is not yet known. Bokajan police informed that the mortal remains of the deceased were sent to Dipu Medical College for post-mortem reports and the car was brought to Bokajan police station. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Hangjanglangso Live.